Okay, last thing which I want to add here is the best way to learn marketing. You don't need to go anywhere. You just stand at a pan wala store. आप पान वाले के पास जाओ, look at the brand they are selling.
हम्म।
Right from they are selling everything on earth. Right from साबुन से
हाँ
लेकर
हाँ हाँ,
toothpaste, everything is there.
सब कुछ है उनके पास।
So
क्यों?
that's a
क्यों? क्योंकि वो किसी को खोना नहीं चाहता है। जिसका पॉकेट में जितना है उसके पॉकेट से उतना लेके आता है। वी कॉल दिस taking entire consumer surplus, whatever is the surplus that you want to spend, it should come to my basket. That is the best job, best role that a marketer can play, or a person who wants to actually increase its revenue in terms of making the organization more healthy and stable.
true, true, true. Why I took this example? Because a lot of people come and say, "Nee, I want to get into the brand management. I don't want to do sales, this and that." But unless you don't understand this thing, the customer, के वो
बेटा पहले कस्टमर को
बेचना, हाँ,
समझो,
ठीक
पहले
है,
कस्टमर को समझो।
एग्जैक्टली
उसके
पॉइंट ऑफ
बाद
सेल।
कस्टमर, अल्टीमेटली ब्रांड किसके लिए आप बनाओगे? कस्टमर के लिए ब्रांड बनाओगे। आप प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट किसके लिए करोगे? कस्टमर के लिए करोगे। सो फॉर एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू नो योर कस्टमर। सो नो इनोवेशन, दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू थिंग्स, लीव ऑल योर इनोवेशन एंड योर इमोशन। Leave these two things and nothing can defeat you.
Can stop you, right?
Rule the world.
Right, true, 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 true. And this is one assignment I want every MBA aspirant to do. कि कल आप जाओ पान की टपरी पे, आप पान खरीदो ना खरीदो बात की बात है, you check out all the products which are sold. I can bet on that you'll find at least 40-50 different categories of products which are being sold there. Chips क्या, आपका साबुन क्या, 10 type of टॉफीज ही है यार, टॉफीज में 10 टाइप्स है आजकल।
छोटे छोटे टूथपेस्ट है, वो भी वो बेचते हैं, जो वो पांच
एग्जैक्टली,
दस रुपया वाला छोटा कोलगेट का टूथपेस्ट, मतलब छोटे साबुन का पाउच, एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग यू फाइंड, सो दैट वॉट एवर इज नीडेड विदाउट एनी मच डिसीजन मेकिंग यू वांट टू बाय रैंडमली विदाउट मच डिसीजन मेकिंग, छोटे छोटे वर्थ का है। सो उसके लिए आपको बहुत सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा, खरीदू ना खरीदू, you are absolutely okay to go and grab as much as possible.
ट्रू ट्रू।
So
अंडे भी बिकते हैं।
even the same thing we expose our student. जिस दिन हमारे कॉलेज में स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन करते हैं at VS Business School, our first thing is we introduce them to a concept called sell on. सामान लेके आते हैं, आओ आप एनजीओ से, और अपने कंफर्ट जोन छोड़ के बाकी कोई और जगह पे जाके उसको बेचो। तो यू विल लर्न how to handle, how to negotiate, how to close the loop, how to close a deal, and then you bring the revenue. And the best part is why we do for NGO, you feel happy when you take that booty and go back to those people who are in genuine need and made some cotton cloth bags for you or something, and you give that revenue to them. Seeing that joy, you become an empathetic leader. So we inculcate this system at VS Business School the day they enter, so that you understand the nuances of life, you become a more matured empathetic leader, but you understand the reality of life.
सुपर सुपर। सो दिस इज वन असाइनमेंट इफ यू कैन डू। अभी लॉकडाउन है, पुलिस मारेगी तो भाई तू
अभी
लॉकडाउन
अभी
के बाद
अभी
चले जाना।
मारने से भी ज्यादा है, आपका खतरा भी है, तो थोड़ा संभल
एग्जैक्टली,
के।
अभी नहीं, अभी
But
नहीं, अभी मत
yeah,
जाओ।
you can, you should. It's a very good idea that you have given, that they
Yes, so
should.
there's one thing if you can do, boss, that will change your perception altogether. I did my summer internship with Pepsi, and the first 2 days we have to travel with a tempo.
Hmm.
Imagine a guy from Jamal Bajaj, and I was imagining मैं सूट बूट में सारी उम्र घूमूंगा. I am working with Pepsi, and then you are going with the tempo in
Oh,
June का month in Gurgaon, which is the hottest place to be, very hot at that time, the month of June. और तब नानी दादी सब याद आई मेरे को. But that learning is very important. How they
yes.
stack the stuff, how the Pepsi, Lay's, chips, and everything.
That is the genuine learning, when you learn on hand, that stays with. Now you see how many years cross through, but still it is there, so clear in your mind that you will never forget the rest of your life. I know one of my friend's son, he did his, after doing his MBA marketing, he joined HUL. So you feel so elite that I am working for HUL, but क्या है, FMCG प्रोडक्ट के लिए ज्वाइन किया ना। तो वही पान वाले के पास भी देखने जाना पड़ता है, क्योंकि उनके एग्जीक्यूटिव जहां जाते हैं, तो क्या हुआ, बिग डीलर्स जो है, जो बिग सेलर्स है, सबके पास जाना पड़ता है। सो नो इनहिबिशन, कोई कोई काम बुरा नहीं होता है। सो नो
Okay,
इनहिबिशन
let me
एट ऑल।
clarify one thing before the girls are, oh my god, मेरे को पान वाले के पास खड़ा होना पड़ेगा। बाबा वो लर्निंग के लिए जा रहे, तुम्हें वहां जाके उसके साथ बेचना या व्यवहार नहीं करना है। You just are there to learn, because the learning have to start from the bottom up.
I would like to share my example, my life experience when I was working for a cargo courier company, and it was a Mumbai-based company, and I was posted in Calcutta, and my job was taking care of the customer care and business development in Kolkata, and operations for Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha, Nepal, and Bangladesh. This was my territory. So with that, what happens that it happened. A lot of politics are there. Na? So somebody had stuck up one of our product in the godown. It used to go through railway and air. So one of our, no surface transport, one of our product was stuck up in the godown. And the first thing that they told is, the boss from Mr. Virmani from Mumbai, they told that, now what will you do? I said, I'll go to the godown. He was little feeling awkward that, is it okay? इंसान जहां जा सकता है मैं वहां जा सकती हूँ. And as I entered, it's old British times, those big godowns, and मतलब सामान देखने के लिए आए, मतलब क्या हुआ ये देखने आए ना, काफी भीड़ हो गई थी, एक लेडी कैसे आ गई यहाँ पर, आज तक इस गोडाउन में कोई लेडी तो नहीं आई थी. तो my question is, who is there? How does that matter to me? I have to resolve my problem, and because the first day with a problem I had entered over there, उसके बाद से कभी हमारी कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई नहीं. नहीं वो मैडम का सामान है, मत रोको, निकाल दो. So you should be able to know how I handle. I have met them. They are porters. They are tempo drivers. What does that matter to me? For me, they are one of the unit or tool of my work. So I was very okay with them, talking to them, getting things done. And you have to remove all your inhibition. As I say, with that, the world is yours.
So I think this is true in lot of industries. You have to start at a very grassroots level, then you grow.
True.
और जितना तुम नीचे स्टार्ट करोगे उतना तुम्हारा लर्निंग विल बी मोर.
Yes.
उतना लेस पीपल कैन मेक अ फूल आउट ऑफ यू.
Yes, because when you go at the top, you know everything because you have crossed that path.
True.
As you have crossed that path, you know all the hiccups that are there, all the problems that are there, and all the good things that are there. So with that, your analysis is perfect because it is not from heard, not from theory, but from your real practice that you have learned. And with that, there is no limit. I'm telling you, there is no limit. You can become the vice president marketing also. And you do become. Not can, they do become. I know students who had started their career as a customer care manager or relationship manager, and they going up and becoming the general manager marketing also. Many students we know.
True. And ma'am, we got a compliment here कि ma'am is truly amazing. तो मैं compliment देता हूँ ma'am. I can listen to you for hours. You are so good and the example is so down to earth.
I know I keep boring you for hours. इतने बातें करती
I don't mind. I want to attend your class once. Let the lockdown get over. I want to come down and attend your lecture once.
Absolutely, my pleasure. I love to interact, and I love to share the experience that I have done. It's a long journey. I have played so far 26 years, not a very small short span. So I want to share everything, and I feel all are my children, and the more I can give, more I see them nurture. It's like a gardener seeing their blossom. You're seeing your flowers bloom.
Super. So, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for coming with us.
It was my pleasure being with you all.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thanks for this opportunity that you give, and I love to interact with you. Your questions and your patience and everything is so nice. I
बस
really
मैम आप ही हो बस जो कोई thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.